Hello everyone, I just want to emphasize on liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting on videos. If you really found a video really worth watching, please, the only way you can support is liking, subscribing, okay, and sharing and even commenting, okay. Many people get to me and say, oh Hilary, your videos are good, I appreciate, but it's good that you like. When you like, you tell the system, YouTube, that it's a good video, and then they recommend it to another person. So your own way of pushing the video for others to also enjoy what you are enjoying is just by liking and subscribing. Thank you very much for your understanding. Stay blessed.